Dr. Prem's book really is a sense of inspiration for everyone. I've read Dr. Prem's book, and indeed, I think it's something that all of us should follow in our lives. Simple language, simple words, but it shows an insight to our daily living in a form that we all can declutter our lives, make use of whatever we have in the sense of gratitude to help the society, to help people around us. And I think most importantly is when you follow your passion, which is in your heart, but do it with a dedication, do it with a sense of compassion towards the people around you, and also follow your life in a way that you become an inspiration for other people. That is what is important, and I think Dr. Prem's book really is a sense of inspiration for everyone.